Hey guys, I'm Chef Sal. We're here in Richmond, Virginia. Today, you're in my kitchen. We're going to show you how to make Sicilian Chicken cutlet alfredo with squash and zucchini. Stick around. By the way, let me introduce you to Papa Sal. Papa Sal.
Uè Marie, quando sogna giù perso per te, famma dormire una notte abbracciata con te.
Stay tuned.
All right, guys, here we go. Go to the farmer's market, get yourself some squash, zucchini, wash them, cut them open. All right, now we're gonna slice them. Don't slice them too thin, all right? We want a nice bite when we cook these babies. There you go. Slice them nice. All right, next, bam, mushrooms, same deal. Slice them up. Garlic, boom, smash them, dice them, mince them up. All right, here we go. Now we got our squash, zucchini. Get some butter. All right, make some garlic in there. Put some green in there, maybe some parsley. Get your fresh garlic. You got heavy cream. And we got our mushrooms. All right. I went ahead, made my chicken cutlets already. I fried them a little bit, but now I got them ready for you guys. All right, we're going to put them back in the fryer. I'll show you guys in another video how I actually do my chicken cutlets, okay? But right now, we're working on this. All right, here we go. Heat your pan up. We're gonna put these bad boys in the fryer. We're going back. We got our chicken cutlets now, fried up. Just kind of showing you again what I got going on here. Here's your chicken cutlets. Those are ready to go. I'm gonna get a nice golden little crisp on that bread too. All right, so the skillet's nice and hot now. This video might be a little bit extended, but it's okay. Work with me here, guys. I don't know what I'm pointing at with. Garlic. All right. Come on, Sal. Hurry up. All right, here we go. Oil. Put the oil in the pan. Done. All right. Now that pan's hot. Here we are. We're going to add our garlic first. All right. You don't want to burn your garlic. Garlic burns quick. You guys are little stay-at-home chefs. You know what I'm talking about. How many times have you burned garlic? I've been cooking my whole life and I still burn garlic. All right, here we go. So garlic's going. Once you hear the crickle popping and that smell, you know it's almost done. I'm adding the heavy cream now. And it's all slowly coming together. Garlic butter. We're gonna start mixing that real good. You want to get a nice thick consistency of cream going there. So now you're adding your Parmesan Reggiano. You're gonna mix that really well. If you want it thicker, get some more Parmesan Reggiano in there. You know, a lot of people add flour to make their sauce or the gravy thicker. You know, if we're working with cheese, I just put the cheese. There you go. All right, here we are. And still mixing. And still mixing. All right. You know what? It's okay. I'm just making sure we got a good product coming out. All right, I'm adding a little bit of salt. You don't really need to add any salt because you already got the cheese, the Parmesan Reggiano, which already kicks it up a pretty salty amount. So if you like it a little bit extra salty, go ahead. Don't oversalt it. This is a simple dish, guys. All right, here we are. We're gonna start throwing everything together now. I did forget to mention to add some pepper. There's mushrooms in there. Get your squash, zucchini. And we're just gonna mix them all up. Now, what I usually do, I don't want to sit here and just keep mixing everything up. I'll get another pan, which I'm about to do, and I'm gonna throw that pan on top. What that's gonna do, it's gonna circulate the heat and everything's gonna come out perfect. Now I took the pan off. We're pretty much almost done with this dish. Everything's coming to a beautiful little masterpiece. There's your chicken cutlets already on a nice white plate. And now we're gonna throw everything on top of that baby. There you go. Boom. It's a beautiful dish, guys. And of course, I made this dish for Papa Sal. I make all my dishes for Papa Sal. If you guys got any creative ideas, go ahead, hit me up. I'm sure Papa Sal will enjoy any of the meals that you guys want me to create. Alright guys, if you enjoy this video, like it, subscribe, follow me and Papa Sal. We got lots of adventures coming up. I hope you guys are safe, take care, love you, till next time.